Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Preeti's Food Menu, and this is Preeti's husband Sunil. Today I am going to cook chicken bhuna masala village style. Before start our recipe, I would like to tell you please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Please like, share and press on the notification bell icon so that you'll get the notification about our upcoming recipes video. So let's start. Let's start cooking chicken bhuna masala village style. First I will heat the oil. I'll take the 2 to 3 big tsp of oil. Let's heat the oil properly. We need to heat the oil until it gets the smoke come out. So the oil has been heated properly now. Let's put the onion. We need to saute the onion until it's get light golden brown. So now the onion is slightly cooked. Now we will add bay leaves, 4 red chilli, cumin, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, black pepper. Now I will add tomato, 1 chopped tomato, one tsp of red chilli powder, 1 tsp of coriander powder, 1 tsp of turmeric powder, 1 tsp of cumin powder, 1 tsp of salt. I'll take the glass of water, 1 glass of water, and now we have to cook the masala. I need to cook the masala until it leaves the oil from the masala. So I need to cover the kadai to cook the masala properly for 5 minutes. So now I will uncover the kadai and let's check. See, the oil has been released from the masala. As you can see, the oil is properly released from the masala. Now I will add 1 more glass of water to cook the masala more properly. I'll keep the flame on medium. Let's stir the masala for a minute. I'll cover the kadai for more 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll uncover the kadai. See, the masala had released the oil very well. I'll stir it for a minute, for a few seconds. See, the color of oil has been released from the masala. Now I will add the chicken. Now I will stir the chicken with the masala. We'll cook the chicken with masala for 5 minutes with medium flame. By covering the kadai, I will cook the chicken for more 5 to 10 minutes. Now I will uncover the kadai and stir the chicken. See, you can see the color of the chicken. It's giving such a golden brown color. Now I will cover the chicken for more 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll uncover the container once more. Stir the chicken. Wow! See the color of the chicken, it's giving such a golden brown color, completely like village style. Now I will add the green chilies in the chicken. I have taken 3 to 4 green chilies as I am making the village style bhuna chicken masala, which is spicy. Stir the chicken. Now I will keep the flame low flame and cover the container, cover the kadai for more 5 minutes. So now I'll again uncover the container after 5 minutes. Kadai. Stir the chicken. Now I'll add the half of the glass of the water. Now let cover the chicken for more 10 minutes and stir in between. Let's uncover the kadai and let's check the chicken. Let's stir the chicken for a minute. See, the color of the chicken is such a golden brown in color. Let's cook the chicken for more 5 minutes. I'll cover the pan for more 5 minutes. So now after 5 minutes I'll uncover the container. Let's stir the chicken again. See, wow, see the color of the chicken, it's such a golden brown. Now I will add the coriander leaves. Stir the chicken. Now I will cover the chicken just for more 5 minutes and our chicken bhuna masala village style will be ready to serve. Let's uncover the chicken after 5 minutes. Stir the chicken for a few seconds. Delicious chicken bhuna masala is ready to serve now. Now I will take it out in the plate. Chicken bhuna masala is ready to serve now. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and press on the bell icon for the more notification. Thank you for watching Preeti's Food Menu. Have a nice day.